Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to make Google Chrome your default web browser on the Mac. So I've showed you how to add it to the dock here. If you haven't seen that video, I'll leave a link in the description. So to make Google Chrome your default web browser, you first want to head up to the little Apple logo in the top left hand corner and come down to System Settings. Once you're in System Settings, come down and find Desktop and Dock. Now we're in Desktop and Dock. You want to scroll all the way down until you find Default Web Browser. Then you want to press this little drop down here and select Google Chrome as your default web browser. Now whenever you try to open up a tab online, it will open up as a Google Chrome default browser. So that's how to make Google Chrome your default browser on Mac. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and most of all, thanks so much for watching.